Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Western Union to Gcash. So it's actually really quick and easy, very simple, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So first things first guys, you want to actually prepare your details, okay? Start by, ensuring you have the tracking number, which is basically the MTCN of the Western Union transaction. You will need to have the exact amount that is you sent and basically a valid ID if you need to verify your Gcash account. And then guys, what you need to do basically now is log in to the Gcash app. So open the Gcash app on your phone and enter your mobile PIN to log in securely. And then guys, what you're gonna do is you wanna scroll down and navigate and select the Western Union feature. So what are we going to need to do, guys? We're going to need to input the MTCN, the amount to claim, and the sender's name exactly as they provided it. And you want to double check all the details for accuracy, and then just tap on the next to proceed, and you'll see a confirmation screen, okay? Basically, guys, you want to tap confirm to finalize the transaction, and your money should appear in your Gcash wallet instantly. And then, guys, of course, just go back and verify your balance. Just go back to your Gcash homepage and check your wallet balance to ensure that the transfer was successful. So I'm going to give you some important things to note for. Ensure that your Gcount account is fully verified to avoid any issues. And I want you to note that Western Union transfers to Gcash are subject to transaction limits based on your wallet type. Anyways, guys, that is it. And you have successfully transferred money from Western Union to Gcash. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. And make sure you turn on that bell notification so you're notified the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys next time.